chasing you away from my reality, breaking us into pieces. Once you were my dream. I don't know where we went wrong. You knew the answers all along. It's up to me, to you. It's a waste of time, the things you do. Those summer nights, I'm letting you go. Letting you go. Letting you go. Memories are chasing me away from my reality, breaking me into pieces. I wake up from my dream. I don't know where we went wrong, and you knew the answers all along. Now it's up to me to say to you, it's a waste of time, the things we do. Those summer nights, I'm letting you go. It feels too much, so I'm letting you go. Oh, I am. Those summer nights, I'm letting you go. I kissed goodbye before letting you go. Letting you go. Ooh. No, it's
You guys, I'm so sad. I totally forgot to post or like video my lunch, and it was so delicious. I'm gonna throw a picture up on the screen. But this is the burger patty I used. My friend Danielle let me try it, and she highly recommended making like a McChicken. So these were bomb. Absolutely delicious. Loved it. It's just the original chick patties. So it's made out of all veggies. It's 4 points for 170 calories. It was super good. And then I used 1 piece of regular bread because I didn't have any buns or anything, but so that's 2 points, and I didn't have any of my light bread, but that's fine. And then 1 point worth of mayo and lettuce. So it was super good. Highly recommend. Hey you guys, Indy and I just got back from a walk. It is 8:10. It's really late. It's still September 1st. And it's 8:10. It's really late, but Indy and I just got back from a walk. I wanted to whip up some really quick dinner. This is what I found. I wanted to make things that, you know, sometimes we just don't have all the groceries we want, and sometimes we're like, what do we make? So this situation, I haven't planned any dinner. I'll show you guys like what I was thinking and stuff. So first of all, I went into my cupboard and I was like, am I gonna have spaghetti, this or that? And so the only form of meat we had in the house was chicken nuggets, and not that you need meat with every meal, but we aren't like vegetarian or plant-based or anything, so we do kind of put our meal around meat. And I don't know if anybody else is like that, but so we're gonna have these. I'm gonna have 6 of them for 5 points, and then I'm gonna have 5 points worth of these au gratin potatoes. These are so good. It says to put 3/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of butter. So I'm gonna do just that, and then I'll count the butter. I'm gonna do like 1/4 of a tablespoon, and I won't count the milk because it's really low, but you could even do water, but milk obviously is going to be your best bet. And then just a side of green beans. So this is going to be a really good meal. 10 points. So I think it's only 10 points. I don't really know how to calculate these because it says half of a cup prepared is a serving. There's 4 servings, and Jason and I usually, because there's not that much in here, usually just split it. I'll let you guys know. And I still have like a ton of points left for the day, so let me show you guys. Even with dinner, so yeah, I ended up having real mayo with lunch, I guess. I totally forgot, but no. So my lunch was 9 points. My breakfast, I had a coffee. My lunch, I had morning star patty, like a McChicken kind of. And then for dinner, I'm gonna be having this stuff. So I don't really know how to count this right now, but all I do know is that it'll be around that. So even with all that, I still have like so many points left, but I got a really late start to eating today and it's like 8. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that, and then if I'm still hungry after dinner, I'll show you guys what I eat. But banana today with my lunch, so those are 0 obviously, and the green beans are 0 on the blue. So I'm just gonna whip these up really fast, you guys. It sounds really easy. I made them like once before, but yeah. So I have my oven preheated to 450. So I'm just gonna put the potatoes, the sauce, and everything together, stir it, and bake it for 25 minutes. So let's get going. Hey guys, so you just want to boil some water, 1.5 cups to be exact. I'm just gonna throw it in the microwave for like 2 minutes. My dad used to make au gratin potatoes growing up all the time. You cook it uncovered for 25 minutes. I'm gonna throw it in the oven. The oven is preheated now. And I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. The 10 minutes are up. I'm going to actually throw in chicken nuggets in here. Or like you could use a New Wave, you could just use the straight up oven, but yeah, we're gonna use that. If you wanted to still have these, another great meal option, you could have like burgers, you could have chicken, you could have turkey burgers, and then this, ultimately you guys, you could make a great meal with these. And I have the points, so I'm probably, it's my absolute fave, I'm going to actually just use this. A tablespoon is 2 points, so I'll just have a tablespoon of this, which is plenty for 6 nugs. Okay, so I know it's Tuesday, but I have these in my fridge, so I'm gonna have a White Claw. I like never drink, but I've just been really wanting this, so it's 3 points. If you're under 21, don't be drinking these. But yeah, so I'm gonna have one of these for 100 calories, 3 points. Cheers to Tuesday. One's not gonna like make you turned up, but yeah, I don't know, I just really want it, so I'm gonna have it. I'm actually gonna crack it open and try it for you guys. I can't remember if I like mango. I know I really like the black cherry one, or whatever it is, black whatever, black cherry, black raspberry, I don't know, whatever. It's pretty good. It's like sparkling water, so if you don't like that, then you wouldn't like this. But yeah, I'm gonna drink this while I wait for dinner. Alright guys, here's my supper. So I have my 6 nuggets, my serving of potatoes, and green beans, and then I just measured out, I already turned it off, but I did 18 grams of the barbecue sauce I showed you guys. And yeah, this is my dinner, and I'll throw the points up on the screen. That's the barbecue. And I'm so hungry, I cannot wait to eat this. Hey you guys, I had to jump on here. I know I'm looking crazy, but I'm so excited. I have an interview the 8th at 9 a.m. for a patient scheduling position. I literally just applied for it on the 31st. Had an interview the same day, like a virtual one where I like record myself to their questions and then they send it to the hiring managers. So I just got a call back just a little bit ago and we set up an interview for next week already. And I'm just so excited. Like I literally, this year's been absolutely insane, but like I just feel in my heart good things are coming. So I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah, and if I don't get it, I'm not gonna be heartbroken, but it's just more of like I'm just so excited that something is actually like falling into place. It's really, I'm really hopeful. So, and it's part-time, So for me, that's perfect. It's not full-time, but it'll do for now. I'm sure that they'll have hours and stuff I can maybe pick up, but with doing YouTube and my Scentsy and everything, I feel like it would be perfect because then I can still work on everything that I truly love and also have a steady income, you know. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm so excited. Oh, I just had to pick up the camera and tell you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this What I Eat in a Day had helped you, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.